हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल केमिस्ट्री बाय नीतीश शर्मा। गाइस, आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ग्रुप थ्योरी का नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ग्रुप का मॉडल समझेंगे गाइस। ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मॉडल हम आज अपना पॉइंट ग्रुप क्लियरली समझ पाएंगे। ठीक है गाइस, जैसे कि आपको पिक्चर में ऑब्जर्व है, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ एलिन मींस 3 कार्बन एंड 4 हाइड्रोजन C3H4। दिस इज द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऑफ एलिन। Okay guys, now we check the number of symmetry operations. This is the carbon atom and this green, and this is the hydrogen atom. So black pole represent our carbon atom and the white pole represent our hydrogen atom. You can clearly observe that the 3 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom lie in the same plane, but different the 2 hydrogen atom are not lying in the same plane, as you clearly observe through this picture. Now guys, we check the number of symmetry operation. Firstly we check number of symmetry operation, then we check what horizontal and dihedral plane. So for vertical, so for C2 axis, this is C2 axis. If we pass through this carbon and we rotate the molecule through the angle of 180 degree, now we can get equivalent configuration. Guys, you can clearly check how we can obtain equivalent configuration by rotation. Okay guys, you can clearly see that after the rotation of 180 degree, we can have similar configuration, means equivalent configuration. So there is existence of C2 along this axis. So C2 axis are present along this axis, which is another C2 axis lie through this carbon atom. So if we consider second carbon atom and we can check the C2 action, we can rotate the molecule through 180 degree. Then if we check through this angle, through this orientation, if we rotate, we can get equivalent configuration. Guys, you can clearly check these two hydrogen atom lie below after the rotation of 180 degree. Now you can clearly check after the rotation of 180 degree, these hydrogen below, and we can obtain same configuration. Now we can rotate it. You can clearly observe that. Yes guys, you can clearly observe that there is existence of C2 axis along this axis. But there is another C2 axis along this axis. You can clearly observe that there is presence of C2, another C2 axis. So there is two C2 axis lie between this carbon atom. So there is three C2 axes are present in this molecule. One is through this direction. This is the one C2 axis, and another C2 axis lie this direction. So there is existence of two C2 axes in this molecule, and one is this. So total number of C2 axis is 3. There are 3 C2 present in the molecule. Also there is existence of E operation exists in all molecule, and C1 operation also exists there. So E and C1 and 3 C2s are there. Now we check plane. So if we passes the plane through this axis, we can clearly observe that these plane obtain equivalent configuration after the reflection, and this plane bisect our, this is the equivalent configuration after the reflection through this plane. So this plane exists here. So you can clearly observe another plane passing through this. You can clearly observe this plane cut the our C2 axis. So this plane is known as dihedral plane. So guys, you can clearly observe that there is existence of dihedral plane in this molecule because it cut the number of C2's axis through this second carbon atom. If we check is there is a S4 operation, if we check S4, we can put it molecule right this direction, and we can clearly observe the C4 axis after the rotation of, we can check that the two C2s are perpendicular to another C2's axis. You can clearly see that the two C2s axis perpendicular to upper C2 axis. So there is existence of dihedral point group in this molecule, because if number of C2's axis perpendicular to another principal axis, then we can say that there is existence of dihedral point group in this molecule. So guys, there is existence of dihedral point group. You can clearly observe that because two C2s are perpendicular to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. Now we check S4. For S4 symmetry operation, we can rotate the molecule through the angle of 90°, and after the reflection, you can clearly observe this is the rotation of 90°, and after the reflection, we can obtain S4 symmetry operation in this molecule. So there is dihedral plane, and number of two C2s are perpendicular to the main axis. So there is existence of D2H point group in this molecule. I hope guys you clearly understand there is existence of S4 symmetry operation. Okay guys, thank you for watching.